Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to explain to you whether ChatGPT is free to use or you have to pay for it. Right, so if you create a ChatGPT account, I have a tutorial on my channel on how to do that if you haven't used ChatGPT before. And once you open up your account, as you can see, there is this upgrade to Plus here. So if we click on this, you can see that yes, basically ChatGPT is free to use. So they have now this free plan and they have the ChatGPT Plus plan, which is $20 per month. So you can use ChatGPT for free. However, from my experience, if you are using the free plan, once you start generating more outputs, the generations will slow down and sometimes you will get errors from the outputs, and it's more likely that you will see that the response speed will be unbearably low. So in this case, you can upgrade to a ChatGPT Plus plan and the generations will be faster. It will be also available when demand is very high, and you will also get priority access to new ChatGPT features. So all in all, you can start using ChatGPT for free, but if you want to take your ChatGPT game to the next level, then you have to upgrade to a ChatGPT plan, but it's still not that expensive for $20 per month. The productivity improvement you will gain from it will most likely be enough to pay for this $20 per month.